next class. Today our maths class. Open your textbooks, page number 85, children. Word problems are there. First word problem is examples. Okay, children. First example 11. A notebook has 256 pages. Only one notebook has 256 pages. How many pages will be there? 5 such notebooks. Here only one notebook has the 256 pages. Like that way, 5 notebooks have the 256 like that way. 5 books, how many pages are there totally? First you write here total number of pages in one notebook. How many pages in one notebook, children? 256. So write here 256. Okay, number of books. He given how many books? 5. So number of books 5. Okay, now we find out total number of pages in 5 notebooks. You write here also notebooks, children. You do the multiplication. Okay, 256 into 5. Okay, children. In your right hand side, some of the rough place is there. On that place you do the multiplication. In 5 table, first ones place number is 6. 5 table 6 times. How much, children? 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 55, 4 25, 5 25, 5 6 30. So double digit number 0 right here and 3. Next number upside. 5 5 is 25. Keep in your mind. Take 3 fingers. 25 after 26, 27, 28. So 8 here and 2 next number upside. 5 2s are 10. Keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 10 after 11, 12. So 1280 is the answer. You write that answer, okay, children? So here last conclusion you write. There are 1280 pages in 5 notebooks. In 5 notebooks. Okay, children? He given first a notebook. Only one notebook has 256 pages and 5 notebooks has how many pages are there? First you write number of pages in one notebook 256. Number of notebooks 5. So now we find out total number of pages in 5 notebooks. So you do the multiplication, pages into books 1280. So here you write the conclusion. There are 1280 pages in 5 notebooks. Okay, children? Complete this in your notebooks. Note this question and answer and do the multiplication also. See our next word problem, children. A box contains 580 balls. How many balls do 71 box contains? Only in one box 580 balls are there. Okay? Like that, each box contains 580 balls. Total 71 boxes. How many balls are there? Now we find out. So first you write number of balls in one box. 580. Okay, number of boxes. Number of boxes. How many? 71. So, we will find out total number of balls In rough place, 580 into 71. 100, 188, 155. So 1's place completed. So 10's place will start 700, 7 8 are 56, 6 and 5. 7 5s are 35 and plus 5, 40. So 0, 8 plus 0, 8. 5 keeping in mind, 16 plus 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 and 1. So 1, 4. So 41,180. So write the answer here, 41,180. So here you ask, 71 boxes contain how many balls? So you write that 71 boxes contains 41,180 balls. Okay children, first a box contains, only one box contains 580 balls. So 71 boxes how many balls contain? You write the first words, number of balls in one box 580. Number of boxes 71. So total number of balls in 71 boxes, you find out 580 into 71, you do the multiplication, becomes the answer is 41,180. So you write large confusion, therefore 71 boxes contains 41,180 balls. Okay children, note this question and answer also in your notebooks. So next example children, a designer bought cloth of length 6,825 meters. So a cloth with 6,825 meters she bought. Okay, which how much? 8 rupees per meter. Each 1 meter is 8 rupees. So total meters how much? Now we find out that first you write length of cloth. Length of cloth purchased. Purchased means also bought children. 6,825 meters. Okay. Cost of cloth. Cost of cloth per meter. Per meter how much? 8 rupees. Now we find out total cloth of cloth. Total cost of cloth. Total cost of cloth is 6,825. 6,825 into 8. So now you do the multiplication here on your rough place. 6,825 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 0 and 4. 8 2s are 16. Keep in mind that 4 fingers 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? 0 and 2. 8 8s are 64 plus 2. 65, 66. 6 and 6. 8 6s are 48. Keep in mind 6. 48 after 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So 54,600 rupees. Mention the rupees symbol also here. So total cost of, right here, last conclusion. Total cost of 6,825 meters is 54,600 rupees. Okay, he given first length of cloth purchased in how many meters? 6,825 meters. Cost of cloth per meter 8 rupees. Total